Welcome guys, welcome. The life of the vlog style. See, we're in an exclusive space right now. See, if y'all don't understand, that is a booth right there. This is a producer. That's also a producer, but we're not gonna interview him about that right now today. And we're gonna touch up on my bro right here another day too. Super producers. But guys, look at this. Look at the vibes in here. Turn that up, D. Look at the vibes in here. Man, I'm gonna bring you guys something different today. The vibes are crazy in here. What's up, family? Okay, so today I got something cool for you guys. It's something different, actually. You know what I mean? I don't know if you guys are gonna think it's cool or not, but I thought it would be a cool thing to like interview somebody that I know, right? That lives in the area, not too far from me, and he does something work-wise that pays him pretty well. And I don't know if we're gonna call it, I don't know if it's entrepreneur or like if he makes his own schedules or not, but we're gonna figure all this out because I'm gonna ask him about it. But I know this is something very easy, an easy way to make money, and that's the cool thing. Like it's not like dealing with like going to a job or a corporate job or anything like that. So this is an easy way to make money. I know it's an easy way to make money, and on top of that, guys, you can actually do this and RA at the same time, so you can be making money two different ways at the exact same time. I'm not gonna give you guys too much. I want him to actually explain it, what he does. Like I said, I don't know if this is considered entrepreneurial, but at the same time, this is just a cool way to make some money, guys. And like I said, I'm gonna be showing you guys bunch of different ways to make money from people I know, people that I meet, from myself, my own experiences, guys. So this is something different I'm bringing to the channel. I'm on my way to his house right now, and yeah, I gotta put my seatbelt on, so don't crush me, guys. I'm about to put it on. I'm on my way to his house right now, guys, and yeah, I'm gonna let him explain to you guys what it is he does. And for any of you guys that's looking for another easy way to make some money, then yeah, you guys may jump on this. So alright guys, so I'll see you guys when I get to his house. Peace.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks.
What's up, family? Yo, it's your boy here, Lavar. You guys already know, but look, check this out. I got a special guest for y'all today. This is my bro. It's not just my friend, it's my bro, right? This is my brother. I knew him for a long time. We make music together, but that's gonna be on another wave of the music. But today we're gonna talk about, what is it? It's called Postmates? Postmates, yeah. Postmates. Alright, so guys, if you guys want to make some extra money and you want to work for yourself, your own hours, whatnot, and you have the license, because you need the license, right? You definitely need a driver's license, and you have to have a clean background. All right, clean background. What we're gonna background check. All right, so we're gonna get into what you need, the qualifications, what you need, but really fast, explain to us what Postmates is and how you can make income from it. I mean, basically, it's just like a little delivery service, like similar to like you know, the Uber Eats. Grubhub, there's a few more out there, but I mean, I just started particularly with this one because it's new, for one, and then second of all, you know, you're your own boss. You don't really have to answer to nobody. That's what we love, man. So basically, like you get calls and then you go to deliver, like what? Like, is it food or? Yeah, food. I mean, I've even had some like where 7-Eleven. Oh, 7, okay. I mean, I've even had CVS, like people ask you to pick up like all types of crazy stuff. Oh, that's cool. So it's like a delivery service, and it's your own hours. So it's like a mixture of Uber and like, I'd say Uber and just any delivery service. Any delivery service, like so that's cool, guys. And like the key that you heard him say, you can make your own hours. You work when you want to work. Boss. You're your own boss. So you can sit back and do stuff like this. See, and this is what's cool about that. What's cool about that, for those of you that know what we do, what I've been showing you guys on this channel, retail arbitrage, you're already out and about now. that means you could be in stores buying stuff for other people and making the deliveries, and you may find some stuff for retail arbitrage and be able to do it all at one time. So you'll be making extra income along with this income. So that's pretty cool. What's a good day look like pay wise? Like a good day? I
mean, I say, like when they run promotions, sometimes the promotions, I don't want to like promote Postmates, but I'm just saying this is as being an entrepreneur to get your own money up. I say a good day, just to go back to your question, a good day, maybe $100 a day. $100
a day,
you know,
and
if you're in one small vicinity, you can make that real fast.
Okay, so you can make that $100 really fast, and that's just, is there tips involved with this or no?
That's before tips. So tips come in later.
Oh wow. Okay, so a good day, right? And it can happen fast is about $100 a day, and that's before tips. That means you can make more money on top of that. Now, keep that in mind with retail arbitrage. You guys can make a ton of money right there, guys. So I mean, now I guess what we have to do now is ask, what do you need to start up something like Postmates? Like, what do you need for that?
Yeah, driver's license.
Driver's license.
And a vehicle.
A vehicle. And you mentioned the
but it also, what's cool about Postmates that separates it from the other ones, you don't need a vehicle.
Really?
Actually, yeah. You can be on foot or you can use a bicycle as well.
Whoa, guys, so you heard that? With Postmates, you don't even need a vehicle. So for my young guys out there and young girls out there who don't really have their driver's license, or who have a driver's license but can't really afford a vehicle yet, you can do Postmates on your feet and on a bike. That is crazy, guys. So I mean, there's no excuses there. Like now, you just eliminated the excuses right there.
Sorry, I lied. You can use your feet and or a bicycle.
So
if
you're
around your neighborhood, especially this is the best for people who are living in the inner city.
See.
So you can make your money, so you can't complain about you don't have time.
Hey, look,
what you really want to do. He's
giving you guys jewels right now. So for any of you guys that live in the inner city, this is like legit something you should be already just to try it. You never know what's gonna happen. Like I say, guys, what we know is what won't happen if you don't try. You're not gonna make no money, but if you try, this may change your life along with doing other things along with it.
It really does eliminate you from listening to corporate people always blowing down your neck and just people being ignorant around you all the time. You just to yourself. And that's it.
See, you don't got to deal with anybody, guys, which is what I love, which is why I got into entrepreneurship in the first place, guys.
And that's not the only thing, you know, that's just one thing, you know, for entrepreneurship. For, you know, there's many other avenues, like you do studio.
But see, don't give them none of those cookies.
I'm not giving that.
Don't give them that yet. That's for another video.
Those type of jobs allow you to do stuff like this.
Like this, exactly. Basically what he's saying is, doing things like Postmate or retail arbitrage or anything like this opens the doors for you to be able to do what you actually love, because you'll be making your income on the side without having to answer anybody and have the time to do what it is you really want to do and the income stream to support it. Alright, guys, so that's a blessing. You also mentioned, though, I heard you say in the beginning, you said that you have to have a clean record, right?
Yeah, they do background checks.
So they do background checks, guys, so stay out of trouble. Hopefully you guys got a clean record, you know what I'm saying? Stay out of trouble because they do background checks. But that's a good thing, though. That's a good thing, though. So you know everything's good and legit, man. So basically, if for anyone that would want to sign up to Postmates or start it, where would they need to go? How'd you do it?
Just go to the app. You just go to the App Store or Google Play, whatever. I mean, well, yeah, the Google
app, okay,
or the App Store. Just download Fleet. It's called Postmates Fleet.
Postmates Fleet,
so
guys.
If you want to do that, you just download that and then get started. It'll run you right through it.
Alright, cool. Well then, that's self-explanatory, guys. This is actually a quick one. This is a quick one, so that's everything you need to know right there. Right? Download the app, Postmate Fleets, right?
Yep.
And guys, listen, I have no affiliate links to Postmates. I'm not making any money for this from them, and you're not making any money right now from them to promote this. I'm legit just giving you guys another way to make money for yourself, guys, because I know people who do their own thing and don't answer anybody, and we all make some good money. So I'm just giving you guys another way to make money for yourself, guys. Yeah, that being said, fam, you already know what it is. We're gonna wrap this up because that was a quick one. This is a quick one, guys. It's peace and love. You already know. This is T. Yo, if you want people to contact you for anything, right? Because he also is a producer. Him and his brother. We gonna get to that.
We'll get to that.
We gonna get to that another time. We gonna get that another time.
That's extra.
That's extra. Yeah, that's another video. Y'all gonna see me here a lot. So even when I create some music, I'm gonna vlog it for you guys, the start to finish for some songs. I ain't gonna let y'all hear all the secrets until they come out.
Fire coming, bro.
Some fire coming. But it's peace.
Fire.
You guys already know how I end it. It's peace and love. We out. Peace.